Oh, cheek joke. So guys, we're gonna be doing a challenge where you have a cup and multiple of ingredients.
We will be mixing stuff.
And
Ghost
then,
pepper hot sauce.
So I'm gonna turn around, and then he's gonna add certain ingredients to both cups.
Yes.
And then I'm gonna eat
One of the cups I'm gonna mix without anyone seeing it. One cup I will mix for you guys to see.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna
But
turn around.
this cup will be a complete surprise.
All right, do
Right now?
Oh, cool. Well, yeah, right now.
Okay, fine.
Right now.
Stop it. Stay facing it. I'm gonna go get some.
What are you doing?
Remember, we still have other stuff to get. Actually, I'll have the stuff in the fridge when I do the one by myself because the camera can stay facing you and I just mix it in the kitchen. Anyways.
Should we redo this?
Yeah, it's fine. Stop looking.
We should.
It's fine.
Oh. Hey, these hook things are still here. We should we should use them for something like slap apple on it or like maybe put a hammer to it.
Yeah.
Fork and outlet kind of situation.
Yeah.
I don't know how that correlates. Oh, how's your day? I hope.
Sorry, I'm trying to get the cupping camera.
You should have just poured it in before camera. But
Yeah, I already added in an ingredient with it off camera by accident.
yeah.
I'm gonna show what I added in on camera right now. That's what I added in. Can't say what it was though.
Look at cat.
I need actual look though.
What?
You see what I have to work with that isn't perfect?
Okay, milk.
Yeah.
Dummy. Dummy.
Domino.
I'm not gonna look. The camera's watching.
And the camera will see if you cheat.
What if I turn around?
I'm
What if I keep on
with this
looking
milk
that way?
jug.
Okay, then never mind. Where's the knife? I put it on one of the videos. I put it behind this chair or on this chair, and it disappeared. You think someone sat on it?
Yeah, maybe.
I mean, I remember to close it.
That'd be funny.
That would be messed up and brutal. What was that noise?
Nothing. Don't worry
That
about
sounds
it. Great, yeah.
amazing.
Put this back in front.
What? Oh. What did you use? Where did it? We should take these hooks down, right?
It's fine. I'm gonna go get us something to mix it.
Oh my god, we're supposed to have this beforehand. Oh,
right, we should have.
yeah,
We're terrible at planning though.
yeah, I know, we really are.
Okay,
Hey, can I look now?
I'm not done.
Can I
Just
look
a little bit
now?
more.
Can I look? Anyways.
I'm about to add just a little bit more.
Hey, I just realized something. On the other side of this wall is where we recorded all the indestructible box videos.
Yep.
Yeah. We're the big creator. The wooden plank we found. Yeah, there's a lot of memories on this side of the wall and on the other side.
Yep.
Anyways, are you done yet?
Just gonna mix everything together.
Are you done yet?
Just gonna mix everything together.
Oh. I can see that's a consistency of milk. Because
You're the one who suggested it too. Well, I don't know. Later on.
Are you done? How many ingredients did you add?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
What?
You don't have to really. You can. You don't,
How am I supposed to guess that?
I don't think it'll be that hard to actually guess.
Yeah, right.
It's probably gonna be really small. Okay, turn around.
Ew. I was supposed to have a straw. Oh,
Fine,
I'll
I'll
just
go
chug
get
it.
a-
I'll chug it. I'll chug it.
Well, I still need that.
That looks disgusting.
Get over it.
Is this just chocolate milk?
You'd think.
I'm gonna put this anyway. So.
Great, I put the spoon down so it doesn't get on the table.
It doesn't smell. It smells odd.
I added in.
Like
I tried to add in stuff that.
It smells like teriyaki.
You're lucky I added in that milk, by the way.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
I added in the smallest amount I could. No joke. I would not put a lot in there.
Okay.
Not that, but maybe a little bit.
This is so stupid. that bad.
Hold on.
Get a straw. Get a straw.
Where is
I couldn't even tell what that was. It was just pure spiciness. My back of my throat's burning.
Okay.
I'm
Where's the straws?
in the straw cabinet.
What's that?
I don't know where the straws
Okay,
are.
never mind.
Oh my god. Can I scarf this? Not how bad. Okay, this helps.
Here, we'll just have milk on hand for you. Whatever you need. I won't add in that for the second cup, okay?
You should have added in both. I thought you were pouring in both.
Huh? Fine, I'll put in both. Yeah, see, let's, sure. Other cups over here.
Well,
Okay,
I could
guys.
tell teriyaki sauce.
This is not teriyaki.
Soy sauce. Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Milk,
Yes.
obviously. And the chocolate milk.
Yes.
And the hot sauce. Hottest hot sauce in the world, I think. I don't
think it's not the hottest
Yeah.
hot sauce, but it's hot sauce.
yeah.
It's hot sauce.
Oh, thank you. You're putting that away. Wait, what about that cup?
Yeah, bring me out of there. I'm gonna mix everything in there so no one can see. Make sure you can't even
You
see
can
the
just
ingredients.
do it behind
Yeah,
camera.
but the ingredients are there. I actually want you to try and guess this one.
I guess that one though. The ingredients were behind the camera. Ooh, look, some chips. Well, you guys want to hear ASMR?
Okay.
Want to add a potato chip?
Oh, no.
You want to add that potato chip in? Oh, what? I wanted those.
Hold on.
I wanted those.
Fine. Here, look at this spoon.
Mm.
That has hot sauce on it.
What if I drink this again?
That's stupid.
Yeah, you're right. That is stupid.
Basically suicide. Okay, I'm gonna
Oh my god. What?
I'm starting mixing it. Just stop that.
How was your day? Good? Okay. This is not a rap song. What are you doing, Becky? That's edible, right? Thank you. Thank you. He put the hot sauce back. I am glad. Wait, what if he poured it in and then he put it back? Oh, flip. My eyes are still watering from that. It smells terrible. I want him to drink that. I have a bad idea. So, I'm gonna... So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour this into another cup. And then I'm gonna make him drink it. Off camera, obviously. Because we can't show his face. I'm talking to you, Brandon. Hey, Becky. Anyways, how's your day? My day is amazing. Want some chips? Hey, Becky. No, okay then. What are you doing? What if I get these two mixed? What if I would just want a nice glass of milk, but I end up drinking this? Are you done? You just took the hot sauce.
Okay, I'm done with it. I mean, I didn't know what.
I think he's doing that to tease me. Oh well. Your caution tape. Can you hold on? Want the toy? Want the monkey? The monkey man? Monkey man? Monkey man? Go get the monkey man. Go get him. Get the monkey man. Are you gonna go? You can go. You don't have to stand there. You fluffy fluke. How's your day? My day's amazing. Are you done yet? My eyes are still watering. No.
Everything's mixed together and you do.
Oh, what if you mix every single ingredient? Oh no. I'm just gonna pretend I didn't say anything. Oh, he's putting potato chips in it. It's disgusting.
And before I bring it out, let me wash this.
Well, hold on.
Should I add in something like cheese? I should add in cheese.
No. You just told me. No. Don't add in the cheese.
Okay, I want to add in cheese.
No.
I'll add in something else.
Called cheese? Yeah, you're right. Anyways, he's taking something. So, well, I'm gonna keep. What if that broke? What are you doing back there? So I'm gonna keep this, and off camera, I'm gonna put it in this jar, and then mix it with milk, a little bit more of that hot sauce, and then make him drink it. Obviously not on camera because he can't show his face. So I already told you that, didn't I? Hopefully he doesn't watch the video before I upload it. Hey, I'm gonna eat some potato chips. Okay.
I prepared some.
For what?
I can't open that on mine. What else? I think that's good. Yeah, mixing real quick.
He mixed everything that I have. You're not gonna get any chip. Want any chip? Go where cameraman.
I need to show them what it looks like.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'll tell you, the stuff on top is mayonnaise.
Whoa!
I'm gonna go put everything away now. Yeah, everything's put away. That's quick.
I might have to wash it down with hot.
Yeah. What? No, I gave you the milk for a reason. Don't drink it now. Fine.
I like drinking milk.
Okay, can I have one of those? I'm hungry.
Just like cut it in half. Great, now you gotta go get the knife and I have to wait now. Well, in the meantime, oh my god. This looks disgusting.
Mayonnaise.
Is that what I think it is?
What?
Did I just see hot sauce particles?
No. You saw me grab it.
Hey, what's that over there?
On your food.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, what's that over there? I don't know your food. Put it on backwards.
Did you just? That's a disgrace.
No.
Tastes pretty good though.
Right.
You expect me to drink this?
Mhm. Would you like a straw?
No.
Okay.
Probably too thick to even go through the straw.
Just drink it.
Oh, that was disgusting. What if I die?
No, I'm going to. I don't know. The mayonnaise looked a little bit moldy. No, I'm joking. I'm joking.
That's so...
It's so messed up.
Oh my god, that smells disgusting. Okay, I should probably just drink it.
Go ahead, drink it.
Good luck.
You know what? Go ahead and do it. It already has potato chips in it. Eat it like that.
Does?
I grabbed
I
some.
think that
I
only
crunched it up.
I didn't even hear any crunching of the potato chips. Maybe the camera did. I don't know. What's the thing you do? You like pinch your nose and you...
Don't open it. It makes it come back stronger. Just close your nose. Keep it closed until you swallow. Even then, keep it closed.
Give me water.
That's what I was
Oh,
thinking.
no, that's bad. That's like, it tastes like marshmallows, chocolate milk.
Oh, it's
I don't even think we have.
marshmallows. What?
Oh my god, like licorice? We don't even have licorice.
I don't know.
It tastes like oh my god, like teriyaki sauce, licorice.
Oh yeah, teriyaki sauce.
Oh yeah, I can definitely taste.
I added in teriyaki sauce and soy sauce.
I taste licorice.
How?
Is that from the moldy mayonnaise? It's from the
I don't know.
moldy mayonnaise.
It wasn't moldy. It didn't look moldy.
My mouth doesn't taste it.
There you go. Have some milk. No, it's
No, I'm not.
I'll leave this here for you. Okay, sorry.
Wait, what if we pour that in milk? That would be so messed up, pouring the hot sauce in the... Oh.
No, because it stained the milk with color.
Alright, that'll be all, guys. Me and cameraman
Really?
are gonna finish that. Yeah, you think I'm gonna drink anymore?
No. I can smell it from
Try
here, bro.
some, right? You mix everything in my fridge. This is basically the equivalent of my fridge. It just
Not
makes me cold.
even close.
No, it's not even close. Okay, that'll be all, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Curse.